Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the Miracle System review. This is a product you might have found in your inbox, wondered what it's all about. You see people making lots of money and wondering, can you make money with it too? I'm not with this company at all, but I'm just going to give you an overview of what I found in my research. But before we get to that, if you're new to this channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews like this, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, this is the Miracle System review. First of all, what is the Miracle System? It's a program started in January 2019, a debt elimination program, and it's reported that you can earn between $3,000 and $40,000 in the next 14 to 30 days and have no more bills. So essentially, it's a program to get rid of all your monthly bills. So you're going to turn your bills into banks, is what the whole program is about. And I was not able to find who the owner is, so if anyone knows who the owner is, you can put that in the comments below the video. This is a lead capture page that I found. It says, get your rent or mortgage payment cut down to zero in 14 days or less. New bill relief program. This includes all bills and expenses. No more monthly bills ever. Enter your information below. So what I found is it's a community of like-minded people who all have the goal of no more bills. So they're talking about, of course, you have residual bills. We want to take care of those residual bills and get those paid off every month. So the goal is to obtain 14 to 17 monthly expenses accounts, or they call them banks. So when you come in, you're going to purchase a certain number of banks. So a bank is a living expense account, and there's 17 different banks. First one is housing, second one is taxes, third one, car expenses, fourth one, fund bank, fifth one, childcare, sixth is clothing, seventh is vacation, eighth is health insurance, ninth is life insurance, 10th is entrepreneur costs, 11th is personal, 12th bank is contribution, 13th bank is retirement, 14th bank is holidays, 15th bank is investment, 16th bank is real estate, and 17th bank is nonprofit. So essentially, it would be everything that you would need in a month, everything that you would either want to give to or that you have to pay for. What is the cost to join? To get started, the lowest cost that you can pay is $110. That's for the housing banks. You would come in and you would work your way up here. So you would first get the housing bank to get started. Of course, you can come in at the highest level with 17 banks for $17.25. It's either $17.25 or $17.50. So then after that, if let's say you just join at the housing bank level for 110, then your job is to bring in one person. And it can come from somebody that you refer by doing your marketing efforts. It can come from spillover from your sponsor or from the company rotator. And then you can work your way up, like I said. So each additional bank, the way I understand it, is $110. And once you have purchased 15 banks, you can become a profit center leader, and you must purchase a bank in order to qualify to earn at that level. Let's say you came in at the taxes level for $200, and you referred somebody at the housing level, you would receive the $100 commission. So it's member to member. So the other thing is that it's 1,000 levels deep, and the highest level you can earn is $1,725. and there's 17 banks that you can purchase. Now, the webinar that I was on, someone asked, what is the product? The only thing they said is digital products. I don't know. I hadn't been able to find in my research what exactly is in the digital products. I did hear that it's social media, YouTube. It's how to market, basically. So digital products on how to market. That's all I know on the products, because I wasn't able to find any information on the company as far as what the products are, or anyone giving a review on the products. The compensation plan, I'm going to leave a video here on my blog post. I'm going to leave a link to my blog post below this video. You can look at this video here because it seemed very complicated to me, that being because I'm not with the company. But the way I understand it is you pass up your first sale unless you own all 17 banks, and then you don't have any pass-ups. But the whole premise behind this, again, is to get your monthly bills paid. So it's not something that you just pay one time for. You're paying whatever level you come in at, you're paying that every single month. Okay, so the questions that I have about the Miracle system is the amount that you have to pay each bank is what you have to pay each month. So if you purchase all the banks for $17.25, that is what you pay every month. Okay, so if you don't recruit somebody the first month, or the rotator or sponsor doesn't give you a sale, you are required to pay that amount the next month, or the level that you signed up at. So let's say you did buy all 17 banks, and for some reason, maybe you didn't get a sale that first month. The next month you owe that money again. So you're out $17.25 times 2. Now they say it's not that hard for you to make a sale, but if you do bring someone in at a lower level, then you're going to be in a loss your first or second month. But there are people making a lot of money with this company, and they're saying that it is not that hard to find somebody to make a sale. And so no one's talking about the products. I understand the products are digital, but the question that I have is, how valuable are the products to be paying, for example, $17.25 a month? I mean, I can see paying it one time, but what value are you getting besides being able to make money and recruit people for that money every single month? I mean, are there ongoing webinars that you're going to earn that is worth that value? That's my question there. And if someone wants to purchase the product at that level, why would they continue to pay the monthly fee? Like I said, what are you getting for paying that monthly fee? And then do you have different, so for different levels, what product do you get? I mean, what's making it that valuable from the housing level to the nonprofit level, the 17th bank? What's making it that much more valuable? So with each bank that you purchase, are you getting that much more value as far as the digital product? Like, that's another question that I have. And also, what exactly are you learning as far as marketing skills? So if anybody is with this company and you can answer any of those questions, make sure you leave a comment below this video. I would love to learn a little bit more about it. I hadn't been able to find that, so a lot of times that isn't apparent unless you're part of the company. So if you guys do have those answers to those questions, I would love to hear it. Also, if you guys have any other questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below this video. I'll do my best to find out if I don't know the answers to that. So that's basically the program. Like I said, people are making a lot of money with this program. Hopefully this helps you to make a decision on whether you want to join the Miracle System or not. Hope you guys found some value in this review. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below this video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, That'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.